Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are doing a press on nail demonstration. So I am using the company called Nailest. You can find them on Instagram. Here's like the little card that came with my nails for today's video. So I actually ordered three sets of nails, I guess you would say. So the first set is like a marble with Swarovski crystal, and it's like a toffee type coffee color. Very, very pretty. The next box that I ordered is more so of a very soft, like almost like an ombre, like nudish, whitish color. Very, very, very pretty. Like when you see it, it's just so pretty when you see it in person. Like the pictures are great, especially with the flash, but in person, ooh. Now these are the colorful, just chrome, just two-tone, gorgeous nails. So for today's video, I am using the ombre nude set because these nails will match everything that I'm wearing this weekend. So what comes with the nails is like a little prep kit. It has like a buffer, some files, alcohol pads. That little thing was some glue that I bought. They actually sell the glue on the website, and they also gave me a free pack of glue, like stickies and like some glue, like the gel that I can just stick on. So yeah, I have glue on deck. So let's get started with these nails. While I'm playing with my phone, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos and you won't miss out on good content. Okay, back to the video. Okay, so the first thing is first, we have to prep our nails. You can't just apply these nails because they won't stick correctly and they will fall off, and then it's like a waste of time. So you have to prep your nails before you just apply them. So the first thing that we're going to do is just take everything out of the little packet, look at our nails, and see what we have to do. I just did that. I don't know, that just made me mad. But anyway, so the first thing we're going to do is just file our nails. We want our nails to be nice and even. We don't want them too long, too pointy, too sharp. We just want them to be just right so when they fit underneath our press-ons. We just don't want any problems. We want to get a nice wear out of our press-ons. So file your nails, file them down as short and as just filing our nails. I'm going to fast forward this process because it's very self-explanatory and quite boring, and I don't want to bore you guys. So now we are going to buff our nails. So this is important because we want to make sure that our nails are flat and smooth, and so the press-ons can stick properly and you don't have any slips or any fall-offs with these nails. Okay, so now that we are done with the buffing just about, we are going to clean up our nails just to make sure they're free of any of that nail dust, because I don't really know what that's called. But yeah, we just want to make sure our nails are clean and not all dusty and rusty looking. And we're almost coming to a closing with the prep work for these nails. We are almost there. So now that our nails are nice and clean, it is time for these nails. Okay, now we're getting that glue. It is time to apply these nails. It is time. So actually applying these nails is so simple. That's the glue, and we're literally just brushing it on as if it were nail polish. It's so simple. You literally just brush. I do like 2 or 3 coats because you don't want to make it too thick because the nails will slide right off and the nails will not stick. So like 2 or 3 very light, smooth coats. Like just don't put like a big glob of glue on your nail because it will not stick. And then after that, I like to press it down for like 20 seconds or so, and then you're good to go. Like 20, 30 seconds. I don't know. I really don't count. I just press down, apply a little bit of pressure, and then I'll know when it's ready. Like you really need like less than a minute to just press down. And then it's the same process. I'm just going to do this for the next 4 nails, and then I'll get right back to you guys. Okay, so we just completed my left hand and now it's time to do my right hand. As you all can see, like this is so easy. This is so simple to do. It literally takes like under 10 minutes. So I'm going to speed up the left, wait, my other hand, I can't even think. Right? That's my right nail. So I'm just going to speed up the process because you guys walk through it with me. It's the exact same process. We're just going to apply 2 or 3 coats per nail. And then we're just going to apply pressure for maybe about 20 to 30 seconds per nail. It's so simple. Like, this is so easy. Like, I do not go to the shop and get my nails done anymore. Like, for what? I can have all type of nails, all type of designs in under 10 minutes, and it's way cheaper than what they're charging at the shop. Way cheaper. Like, I think I got this set on sale and it was like $15. If I was to go into the shop with this length, I'm sure this would be $100 easily. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got to pay for that. Like, this is so simple. And then, like, when you're tired of it, you can take it off and then just put it away for the next time you want to wear it. In the removal process, all you do is soak your hands in warm water. That's it. Warm water, that's it. That's all you have to do, and you are good to go. You can just put it back in the case and wear it next time whenever you feel like being a little spicy, being a little flirty, being a little different. Just go in your little box and put your nails on and take them off once you're done. This is a game changer. This is a life changer. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next videos are arriving. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And again, the Nailest company, I'll have the link in my description box below. Thanks for watching.